I had to self-teach myself majority of everything I know, but that gave me the ability to be exposed to so many different applications, so many different programming languages, overall just gaining so much experience that, to be honest, like, I think in the 10 years I've been in the industrial automation space, that it is the equivalent of almost 30 years of working at a Toyota and just being a general maintenance employee. Being a general maintenance employee is kind of like one of the worst jobs for building these skill sets out, because a lot of these companies won't even let you touch the PLC, won't even let you touch the robot. Like, you have to be one of their lead process tech guys to be able to even touch those type of pieces of equipment. And a lot of times companies don't have a ton of those guys on staff. A lot of times they may just have maybe 1 to 5, and that's what I see, like, pretty stereotypical. You may have a ton of process engineers, but people who are actually diving into the PLC, diving into the programming, being a process engineer is helpful, and you do gain some experience. It's kind of one of the more I consider entry level as far as needing a skill set to be able to do. And still get automation over process and overall process control exposure, because a lot of automation and being able to program is understanding processes.